Can you burp in space? Sounds weird, but let's talk space burps. On Earth, gravity pulls liquids down and lets gas out. That's a burp. But in space, no gravity means your stomach contents just float together. So instead of a clean burp, you might get a wet burp. Not fun in 0G. That's why astronauts avoid soda. Fizzy drinks can lead to a floating disaster. Imagine burping soda into your helmet. Sticky. Floating. Gross. On Earth, it's easy. In space, your burp comes with backup, so yeah, in space, burping's off the table. Keep it in, astronaut.